When you hear online school, the first question most parents ask is my child just going to be taught by a screen? At Bina, the answer is no. Technology here is not a delivery tube for information. It is a precision instrument used by skilled human teachers to see and support your child more clearly. It amplifies connection. It never replaces it. Here's how that works in practice. Bina deliberately keeps its technology stack short. Fewer apps, fewer logins, less screen fatigue. Every tool earns its place by serving a defined learning goal and must remain accessible even on low bandwidth wherever your family is in the world. AI is used where research shows it works best, drilling math facts, vocabulary practice, and instant corrective feedback. But for conceptual reasoning, critical thinking, and real discussion, that is the teacher's domain, always. Data is used the same way. Learning analytics at Bina exist for one purpose: early, compassionate intervention, not ranking, not labeling. If a child logs off early or their pace slows, the system flags a human teacher who reaches out, asks what happened, and responds with judgment no algorithm can replicate. And when it comes to privacy, Bina sets the bar at GDPR, Europe's strictest data standard, as a global baseline. Data is collected only when it maps to an instructional decision. Only current teachers can access it. Zero third-party sharing. Before any tool reaches a student, it passes one filter. Will this actually help your child learn? If the answer is not a clear yes, it does not make it through. At Bina, the goal is technology so well governed it becomes invisible, and all you see is your child learning, growing, and deeply connected to the people teaching them.